Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we're just going to do a quick flip through of a journal I made the other day. And I wanted to start with this journal box. This is from a printable kit in my Etsy shop, and I'll put links down below to all the things I'm using today. And this can actually be customized using your own papers or your own printable papers so that you can change kind of the look of it to match your journal. And then I went ahead and embellished it with a few little extra touches. And this is actually a mini book from our Wildflowers mini books. And I tied it together with some seam binding ribbon. And if we take a look in here, this is the journal. And it's made from a file folder that's been altered, and then I've got some corrugated cardboard. I just tore this off of a box from Amazon. And I bound it together with some ribbon binding so that you can actually remove the pages if you want to. And I used a few different kits for this. One of them was a Cottage Provence journal kit, and another one was Among the Wildflowers. And then I also used a Shabby purple Ephemera pack, and I think a few other kits as well. And I went ahead and just added some stickers and other small embellishments, and then I used a edge cutter to give a border to the pages. I'll try to put a link to this one below too, because it's really pretty. It has this big rose pattern, which I really like. And it's a pretty simple journal. I didn't embellish it too much, just a few pockets here and there. I mostly just kept it kind of, you know, simple and open, so there's some writing space. And I put these little seed packets in here. Here's some little paper flowers that I added. So I really like the colors in this kit. It's got some really soft purples and greens, and it's just, I think, really kind of, you know, a pretty muted palette. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.